Hello, friends. I'm your English buddy. My name is Sheikh Yusuf. So, friends, now I'm going to talk with one of my friends because I have not seen him for a long time. And today I'm going to have a very casual conversation with him. So, let's talk to Anupam. So, Anupam, yeah, I know that you are stuck in Kolkata and I am at my home in Bardhaman. So I have not seen you for a long time. That is why I'm going to connect you and I'm connecting with you. So can you introduce yourself? What do you do?
Hi all, my name is Anupam and me and Yusuf go a long way. We are friends since 2015 and I'm not hesitate to say that he is one of my best friend. And right now, as you all are aware that due to Amphan, the situation is not so good in Calcutta as well as the pandemic COVID-19. So rest all are good. So that is it about myself, Yusuf. And I hope you and your family are doing good.
Yes, my family is doing great and they are all are safe. And so are you working from home, Anupam?
Yeah, right now actually I'm working from home. I'm working in Wipro. So most of the companies are in Calcutta. They are giving work from home because they do not want to take any risk. As you are also aware that if we will work in office, there will be crowd and the situation might go worse. That's the reason the decision has been taken, and I really appreciate this the way it all has been handling by them. So yeah.
Yeah, definitely, Anupam. Actually, this is the need of this hour. We have to maintain the social distancing. We
Right.
have to do it in order to curb on the COVID-19. That the way that the virus is attacking on us.
Well, well, well,
So
well,
this
well.
is needed.
Uh,
Yeah.
well, so yes. So Yusuf, that all was serious talk. So let me talk because tomorrow is Eid. So I'm sure that you must be excited. I just want to know that because I'm a Hindu, so I'm very keen to know that why you guys celebrate Eid. There must be a reason behind it, right?
Yeah, definitely, Anupam. There is a reason behind the celebration of Eid. You know that Muslim people fast for 30 days and after that they celebrate Eid. So Eid means happiness, and you can say this is kind of reward from Almighty God that we people have fasted for 30 days and then we are celebrating Eid. So in the you can say that we at the same time we are thanking to Allah and we want to show that we want to show our what I'll say that that Allah has given us the strength to do to fast for 30 days, and that is why we want to thank Almighty God. Okay, and at the same time Allah also given us the reward that yes, you have fasted for 30 days, so this is your reward, you can celebrate with it. So that is why we celebrate it.
That is really good, and yeah, that is like a party. And how your day goes on the day of Eid? Like, what is the routine on the day of Eid? What you do? Like, you wake up in the morning, and how the day progresses. So I just wanna know something about that.
Okay. So at first we wake up in the morning, early in the morning, and then we take a bath. We dress up well. Then we go to mosque. We hug with our friends. We meet our friends. We do casual conversation or casual chit chat with our friends. It's more of fun frolic, and it's all about enjoyment. It's like a family functioning, social gathering. So it's all about enjoyment.
Okay. And Yusuf, I just want to apologize because there is no electricity. To I'm just sitting on my near my window, so there might be some noise in the background. I do apologize for that. And I've also heard that you guys have some delicious food, traditional. So, Miss, if you can talk something about that, about the food that you eat on the day of Eid.
Yes, we make a lot of dishes at Eid. We make lacha, we make simai, and we make a lot of sweet dishes. And then we make biryani also at Eid. So if I talk about Eid, then there are many lovely and delicious dishes are made, and we enjoy that. So actually, I'm extremely sorry that I could not invite you for this Eid because you know that you will not be able to come. So I'm extremely sorry for that. Okay, so next year I think we will be able to invite you and you can come.
No, no. Next time, I'm sure that the things will be in control, and we all can meet and celebrate Eid with each other, and we'll have
Yeah.
fun. And you must be wearing some new clothes. Miss clothes will be in stores for tomorrow, right?
Yeah, definitely. We buy generally we buy new clothes for it, but this year I'm telling you very frankly, I have not bought a single dress or single cloth for this year because I don't want to go to market because of social distancing. So I think that if this year I don't buy something, so that is good for society, that good for my family and for ourselves. So that is why this year I did not buy anything. Whatever I have in my store, so I'll wear that.
Okay, okay, okay. And Yusuf, on a serious note, I want to ask you that this Eid will be different from other Eid. So, what is your call on that? How you guys are, planning to celebrate it? Because you all know that we are going through this COVID-19 situation. So, what you want to say about that?
Yeah, this year Eid is going to be very different from other Eid because this year we all be celebrating at our home, and at the same time we have to maintain the social distancing. We are not able to go to the mosque and pray for namaz. So this year Eid is totally different, and this is something that we are going to remember forever in our life. This is something that we have never experienced in our life. So this year is totally strange and totally different,
Yeah,
that
yeah,
I
that,
can say.
that is the case. So, Yusuf, I wish all of you, your family, your students are very happy Eid. And thank you for answering all my questions here. Sorry for that. So yeah, it was a good fun for you with you. Thank you.
Yeah, thank you, Anupam. Thank you for connecting with me. And nice talking with you, man. So we'll
Yeah,
catch you
same.
up later. Thank you.
Yeah, we'll have fun. Thank you. Stay safe. Stay home.
Yeah, you too. Thank you.